In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot audio issues on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the right side where it says additional troubleshooters, and then underneath get it up and running, select playing audio, and then run the troubleshooter for that and give it a moment. And then I'd recommend following along with its recommended suggestions, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.